Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add music to a Facebook post. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up the Facebook app, and then here at the very top, what's on your mind, tap on the photo icon or album icon. So tap on it if you want to select an image or a video to your post. If not, you can just go ahead and add in a text. For example, what's on your mind, test post or sample post. Hit on done, and after that, as you can see here at the top, we have the music icon. So just tap on it and find the music that you wanted to be added to your post, or you can go to use the search bar right here and search or look for an artist that you like or a specific song. All right, so let's say for example this one, just tap on it. By the way, you can go ahead and listen to it by using the play button. As you can see, we have the test post text, and here we have the audio. All right, go ahead and add in whatever you want right here onto your post and just tap on next. Lastly, hit on post. Wait for it. All right, and as you can see, here we have the text and the music banner. You can tap on this unmute button to play the audio with it. There you have it. That is how you add music to a Facebook post. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.